Ava, and this is
Austin.
And Austin is training for an Ironman race, which is what?
Consists of a 2.4-mile swim, followed by a 112-mile bike ride, followed by a full marathon 26.2-mile run.
So, just a whole marathon is a third of the race. He's going to be expending over 10,000 calories in this one event. So, today we get to make a high-carb Ironman dirt pie, because who doesn't love a good old dirt pie? We're going to make it a little higher protein and a little healthier.
Beautiful.
So, what you're going to need are sugar-free brownie thins. That's going to be our base dirt layer. And then we're going to do some high-protein, non-fat Chobani Greek yogurt for the gains. But to sweeten it up a little bit, we're going to use some monk fruit vanilla syrup, 0 calories. We're going to add in a little bit of sugar-free Cool Whip, because you can't have dirt pie without Cool Whip. And then, of course, you got to have your gummy worms.
So much gummy.
All right, so let's get to work. First thing we're going to need to do is turn these brownie thins into crumbs. So let's gear up. Okay, I haven't worn these for like 2 years.
Well, these things are dialed in. Shoo! These things have been on my head for the past week. These things fit great right now.
Are these upside down?
Oh, those are upside down for sure. Maybe.
So this is what they should look like. We got our dirt crumbs all blended up. So Austin, what I'm gonna have you do is we're gonna do 2 layers of this, so don't use it all. Use half of this and put it down between the 4.
Okay.
Evenly distribute. I think that's the way to go.
A scoop and like a fork? Or
Scoop
so?
and a half, yeah, so it's like 3 tablespoons.
Yeah, how are you going to measure the macros on these? I don't even know
Oh,
what
it's
I'm
already
doing.
tracked.
Oh, wow.
We got the whole count.
Oh, wow.
All right.
That's the Ava promise right there.
Okay, and then we'll just kind of even them out. Awesome. Next, we're going to start on the middle filling. So what we're going to do is open a yogurt. You could put on the bowl on the scale. We're going to tear it out to 0.
Okay, hold.
And then you could open the yogurt up. Awesome. So I budgeted for 4 ounces of yogurt a serving, so we're going to need to weigh this out to either 1 pound or 16 ounces. I think that red one will be the one. Yeah, that guy.
Try it. I don't know what 16 ounces is going to look like. Oh my gosh. It's
So
one.
that's 1, 2, 1, 2. It's going to be half that container pretty much, because that's a 32 ouncer.
This is precise. This is why I don't do this stuff. Oh no.
Boy, die. Beautiful. So now that we have the yogurt in there, we're going to add the sugar-free syrup. So it's going to be 1 tablespoon of the sugar-free syrup. Beautiful. And then we're going to whisk that together. So you're going to want to whisk this first before adding the Cool Whip, because if you add the Cool Whip now, you're going to deflate it, and we want it creamy. So he's just going to whisk this together. Awesome. All right,
I made a cake once. Once or twice.
We're going to tear off the scale again, and then now we're going to add 3 ounces of Cool Whip per serving, so we need a total of 12 ounces of Cool Whip. If you want to take a spatula, and we're just going to fold it in. So first, let's get the weight down to get the weight right. So we're going to need 12 ounces. Wow, that's like all.
That was right on the money.
Beautiful. All right, so if you could just fold it in, I'll show you the technique, Austin. We're going to fold it all together so we don't deflate all that Cool Whip. All right, that looks good to me. So let's go ahead and grab the blue portion scoop, and we'll just start evenly distributing this. All right, so I would say 2 scoops per thing is going to be the middle layer, and just level it off on the side like that. Yeah.
That's not as pretty.
I'm gonna say 3 scoops on the bottom. Let's get a good layer.
I can afford the calories.
Yeah, you can. You burnt them yesterday, I swear. So now that we've evened it out, we're gonna add our second layer of crumbs. I think we can do about 2, like a full big side on top of each of those. Just kind of evenly sprinkle it. Yeah, buddy. And then the very last little bit we're going to use to garnish at the end. So,
Okay.
beautiful. All right. We still got a lot of whip to fit in there. This is going to be a good packing dessert for the money. All right, so go ahead and grab your scoop again, and I think we can fit 2 scoops of container still. All right, now the stars of the show, the gummy worms. So there's 2 servings in a pack of these. We'll only want 100 calories from this sucker, so I'm gonna put it between 2 of them.
Sounds really good.
Rip gummy.
Oh no. Oh, there we go.
Love it. All right, just put it, oh, they're little gummy worms. Okay, little babies, so just put it in the most artistic way possible. These are like endless, man. It's the best 100 calories in
They smell so good. I think that's it, right?
You still got some in there.
But you want me to delete this entire bag?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
You keep your carbs.
Oh, wow.
And now for the finishing touch, the crumb garnish. You just pour it in my hands, I can sprinkle the rest of it.
Interesting idea.
Okay. Salt bay that. Boom. There you have it. Ironman dirt pies. 320 calories a container, 15 grams of protein. Pound one of those.
I think that's the one. That is so good.
Dig in.
Mm-mm.
Long
That's
way.
actually delicious.
Yeah.
No, this is just primal.
So what are you doing after this? You already swim this morning?
No, I've got a 10-mile run. 3,000